Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I'm going to show you guys what I got in my Ipsy PR bag for the month of March. I had to think about that for a second. I feel like the months are going so fast nowadays. We're already in March. Super excited for some spring weather because it is really cold out here in New York. So praying for some warm weather, hopefully soon, and no more snow. But if you guys want to see what I got in my Ipsy PR, I got the Glambag here and the Glambag Plus, then you guys know what to do. Keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so if you are new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Aisha. I do tons of unboxings on this channel. If you guys ever want to try a new makeup subscription box, I do the majority of them here on this channel. I have a playlist of every single box if you want to go back and see. Like I have one for pretty much almost every beauty makeup subscription box. Not only do I do makeup subscription unboxings on my channel, I do makeup hauls. I actually have like a huge Dollar Tree. This bag is heavy. I have a huge Dollar Tree makeup haul that I'm going to do for you guys. I do tons of makeup mystery boxes on this channel. Lots and lots of fun things on the channel. I even dabble in a little crystal subscription boxes on my channel as well. So if these are things that you guys like to watch, then I would say show me some support and subscribe to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family. We're almost at 2,000. I'm so excited. My channel has come a long way since when I started a year and a half ago. I'm going to be doing a lot more fun things once I hit 2,000. I think I'm going to do like a question and answer for you guys once I hit 2,000 subscribers, so you guys can get to know me a little bit more. Although I am a private person, I do realize I have a social platform now, and you guys always ask me questions about myself, so stay tuned for a little bit more behind the scenes about me rather than just talking about makeup for the future once I hit that 2,000 mark, and I'm gonna have a giveaway as well. So back to the unboxing. So I always take everything out of the box just for like time purposes. So I already have everything out the box. But this month they give us a little bit of free goodies adjacent to this. So I'm going to show you guys that first, and then we're going to get into what I was sent in each subscription. Alrighty, so I'm super excited because they sent some Ipsy pens to me, which I'm super excited. It says Power Moves, Write Your Own Story. And I got 3 pens from Ipsy. So I'm going to assume they sent this to the people who got PR. I'm not sure if they sent this if you're just like a regular subscriber. I'm not sure, but this is what I got in my bag. So I got these 3 pens that say Ipsy on them. And then they also gave us this little notepad that says Power Moves with little checker marks on it. And I guess that's the theme for this month. For the month of March 2022, it says Ipsy Power Moves. Who runs the world? You do. This month, swipe on your boldest lip and conquer every goal like a boss. So, and I'm in a part of Ipsy Open Studios. That's like their PR program. And it doesn't really ever say, they don't really give you the prices, but that's the inside of the card. And I guess I always start off with the small one, so let's start off with the small bag first. It says Power Moves. I like that, like you could put your hand and kind of hold it like so, you know, do all of that with that. So it's blue, Power Moves. Let's see what we got in here. So I will say when you get your PR box, like for the most part, everything for the most part is thrown in the box. Like some stuff is supposed to be in here, some stuff is supposed to be in there. You really don't know. I just put everything all in the 2 bags, but I'm not really sure like what was a part of what. So just because like something's in here doesn't mean that it was a part of this subscription. So this retails for $13 and this retails for $28. When you do your subscription, what I like about the Ipsy Glambag Plus is you get to pick 3 out of your 5 choices, which is amazing. And this one, you just get to pick 1. All right, so let's see. The first thing I see here is something from Ciate London. It's a Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek Glow. So that's what the box looks like. And let's see here. This is the product here. And I don't know if I'm going to use this. I have to see just because my skin is oily. So normally anything glossy on my face is not going to work. The next thing I got is a Araceli. It looks like some tweezers. I actually just bought another tweezer from Tweezerman, but you can never have too much tweezers. So that's the next thing in the box. I also got a Pure Brazilian Daily Anti-Frizz Serum Leave-In Treatment. It says for longer, healthier hair. So that's what the bottle looks like. Then I got a Kingship. This is a vegan lip jelly mask. Lip jelly mask. I haven't tried a lip jelly mask, I don't think. So that's what that looks like that they gave me. It looks big. The box looks big, but it looks like it's probably going to be a travel size, I think. Yeah, this is travel size. The next thing I got is a Hydrating Eye Cream. Just a little baby one from First Aid Beauty. First Aid Beauty has like a lot of hydrating products. I love like the repair cream because my skin is really dry. So excited to try their eye cream because I have never tried their eye cream before. And then now for the big one, the big bag. This says Bold Moves on the actual, like the strips of the handles. And there's a lot of stuff packed in here, so let's see what we got. All right, so the first thing in here, it says it's a multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush. So I'm curious to see what that looks like. Because that could be good for like when I want to go. Just one brush. What does it say? 4-in-1 makeup brush. That sounds interesting. So let's see here. Let's get some scissors to open this up. So this is what the 4-in-1 brush looks like. So on the box, you could see like there's other brushes like inside the middle part. So let's see here. So that has like an angle brush if you screw it off. And on the other side, when you screw, let's see. The other side's not screwing off though. Hold on. Alright, I can't open this other side for nothing. So what was supposed to be on the other side? Or eyeshadow brush? I don't know. It's really tight. I can't open it. So, but on the other side, it's supposed to be an eyeshadow brush. See on the bottom? So, I think it's a cool concept because like if you're like traveling, you only want like one brush. I think that's a cool concept. The next thing I got is by Soul Clean Probiotic Balancing Cleanser. I've never heard of this brand before, but it's a cleanser. The next thing I got is from It Cosmetics. It's the Superhero Volumizing Mascara, which is very popular. The next thing I got is by Saturday Skin. It's a Rubber Dub Refining Peel Gommage from Saturday Skin. I don't have a lot of stuff from Saturday Skin, but I heard their brand is nice, so excited to try this out. And then we got a palette. It looks like an eyeshadow palette by, is this Defiance? No, it's called Defiance. And it's by Carmela Cosmetics. I've never heard of this brand before. Ipsy partners with indie brands. So a lot of the brands you may not know because it's like obviously an indie subscription box. But it's cool to try things you never would have tried before with this subscription. So that's why I like Ipsy, because a lot of the stuff I never heard of, but I'm in love with it now. So I'm so happy that, you know, I was introduced to such cool brands. All right, let's take a look at the palette. The palette looks nice. I've never heard of this brand, so I don't know the quality, but the palette looks nice. I would definitely try it out. I try out every brand at least once, and then like, because like, the stuff could be good. So like I said, I've never tried this brand before. I'll try it. If we get it again and I tried it and I didn't like it, then I won't swatch it or use it, and I'll give it away. But I give every indie subscription, every indie brand a chance at least first before I just, you know, give them away in a giveaway, because it may be something I may actually like. So that's really about it. I'm excited for my little Ipsy pens. These are so cute. One word at a time, it says on the pens, but very cute for that in my little notepad. I actually used this notepad already because I have a list of things I have to do after I film today. So came in handy already. So thank you, Ipsy. Enough about me. What do you guys think about this subscription? What did you think about the things I got in each bag? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if we got some of the same things in your subscription for mine. So let me know in the comments down below, and